are saying apple. I'm thinking about Sir Isaac Newton. One such apple made Isaac Newton to discover gravity. Oh, that? Yes. Think science, thank nature. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, is that your pet? Yes. Oh, did you notice those sparkling eyes? Why, what happened? Percy Shaw discovered reflectors from those eyes. Oh, is that true? Yes. Think science, thank nature. It looks cloudy. I think so there will be a lightning. Do you know science about lightning? Science about lightning? Yes, Michael Faraday invented electricity with the help of lightning. Electricity, wow, what an amazing discovery. Yes, think science, thank nature. Come, let's play. Come. Oh, there's some coffee. Eureka! Yeah, I know the science about Eureka. Archimedes found the density of water. Oh. Think science, thank nature.
This is Nikita. This is Deepika from St. Joseph Matriculation High Secondary School, St. Thomas Mount. There are a lot of relations between science and nature. We have presented one video. Hope you have enjoyed our short film. Think science, thank nature.